In the diverse landscape of Asia, insurance companies face a unique challenge: processing claims from countless sources in different languages with no standard format. The result? Low accuracy, time-consuming manual work, and long waiting times for your customers. Let me introduce you to a solution we have developed for a private insurance company, powered by OCR and Generative AI. Our platform reads, understands, and automates the adjudication of claims, no matter the language or format. Watch as it transforms this complex health insurance claim into a structured, easy-to-review format. Please note that this is a real invoice. The patient names and sensitive information have been sanitized for this demo, but everything else you see is real. Claims documents come to insurance company in no standard format, some with handwritten notes, with some stamps, and sometimes with other interesting additions. They can be in a variety of language, or even in mixed language. This is often the case in Thailand, like here. Got some English and some Thai language mixed in the same invoice. And worst of all, the documents to be analyzed are never sent in the same order, making it impossible to work with templates. But with our technology, data is captured, organized, itemized, and categorized automatically. Your adjudication team can review and validate claims in just one click, drastically reducing manual intervention. The proof is in the numbers. Our client achieved a 70% productivity gain, with 91% of documents processed without manual intervention. What that means is that our AI engine makes less mistakes than humans, while humans can still review and improve the results and the engine. And we are talking about several thousands of documents per week at a lower cost than manual processing cost. So just imagine what we could do for you. Right? Now let me dive into some of the most important features of this platform. The header here is customer history on it. So your team can validate the key information from your policyholders, the contract, the currency, invoice numbers, whatever you need. Then it breaks down the information into individual items, automatically extracting from the invoice, line by line, the description and the value, line by line. Okay? But it goes beyond a simple data extraction. Since the AI is capable of reading and analyzing the text, it can automatically match each line to the corresponding policy coverage and match the cover codes. And this using your own international nomenclature. Right? An operation that traditional OCR solutions cannot perform, actually. It also captures the discount, either at the line level, that this is the case here. It says like it's a 10% on outpatient medication. And by the way, talking about that, it translates automatically your Thai invoice into English if that's your favorite language. But it could also be, the discount could also be applied to the total if that was, for instance, a separate credit note. So your claims are instantly ready for review, and they can be validated in batches of like 20, 50, depending on how fast your team is capable of reviewing them. And in case your team detects a mistake, every field can be detected automatically. So let's say the invoice is incorrect number, and we want the other number, or this is not the right coverage, that can be changed, and this will be automatically recorded here, right? That means that we collect the feedback, and so we can improve the platform over time as well. You're probably worried about integration, right? IT is a big deal in large companies, but our API ensure that a seamless connection with your systems. We can start managing your claims in less than a month, sometimes even as fast as a week, right? We can also record unstructured feedback from your claim teams and integrate it into further development. So here, for instance, where is data about X? This is automatically recorded, and so that means we can use it to improve the platform or add some data that's missing and it's really important for your team. Once saved, our platform will consolidate the claims and format it again for your systems so that it can be processed for payment, can be sent for follow-up with the policyholders if documents are missing, for instance, or can be rejected if the expense is just not covered. So we got your attention? Are you curious and you have questions? Please schedule a call with us today so that we can dive further into the application, discuss all the questions Have we got your attention? You're curious and have questions? Schedule a call with us today so we can dive further into the application, address your question, and talk to you about other use cases we're currently developing to optimize your operations.